7-6 correspondence. I can use properties of congruent figures to solve.
So congruent figures help to show correspondence. Correspondence, again, a review for when we're doing alternate interior, alternate exterior, and corresponding angles, would be a way of matching up angles, and also in this case lines that are congruent. They're in the same spot of identical shapes. Congruent features. So looking at number 2, we've got congruence marks. Really quick review. If you have 3 congruence marks on side AB, and you have 3 congruence marks on side DE, what does that tell us about AB and DE? Okay? They're congruent. Duh, congruence marks, right? They're congruent. The other thing that can tell us what sides are congruent is if we name a couple of shapes, skipping all the way down here, if we name triangle ABC and triangle DEF as congruent, using our symbol for congruent, we know that side AB, because it was listed first, is going to be congruent to side DE. Yes, no?
Yes.
We know that angle C, because it was listed last, is going to be congruent to angle F, because it was listed last. Does that make sense?
Yes.
So congruence marks and also the naming of the particular polygon or shape you're dealing with would help you do that. Algebraically then, not much different on part 3 then, other than you have to solve for the missing variable. We were given the fact that the quadrilateral VWXY is congruent to JKLM. So an example would be then, if angle V is congruent to angle J, we can solve using algebra. 5C is going to be equal, so we're right over here, 5C is going to be equal to 85. Solve using your algebra, and we can determine that C is going to equal 17 or 17 degrees, depending on if it needs a label or not. When in doubt, we should always do what though?
Label.
When in doubt, label. Cool. And then down here, this was just number 5, very similar problem to number 4, but we explained why each of these angles and sides were what they were according to correspondence and congruency. Questions before I stop the short video today?